Okay, so here's the question. Which one will go faster? The sugar-free Peep or the non-sugar-free Peep? I guess that's just a regular Peep. Yes, we are putting this in the microwave like you've seen on many YouTube things. But we're just gonna do a different experiment. Please shut the microwave, put it on, and minute's good, right? Minute, and start. Looks like they're both expanding. Looks like they're both getting completely huge, not even 30 seconds in. Sugar-free Peep is getting a little bigger. Smells like cotton candy in here. Oh my gosh. Smells like they're about to burn. Ew. I think it would be sugar-free. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ew. That stinks. Let's see. Yep, I would say sugar-free. Ooh, burnt and stinky. Well, that's my experiment for the evening. Those are going in the trash.